Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we'll continue with exercise 70 from chapter Ratio and Proportion. So coming to question number 25. If B is the mean proportion between A and C, show that A raised to 4 plus A square B square plus B raised to 4 upon B raised to 4 plus B square C square plus C raised to 4 is equal to A square upon C square. Two methods are applicable. One is K method and other is mean ka square is equal to product of the extremes. So whenever you are given that something is in continued proportion, three terms are in continued proportion, यहाँ पे indirectly दिया है mean proportion is mentioned, it means that they are in continued proportion. ठीक है, whenever mean proportion is mentioned, it means that the terms are in continued proportion. So what is the mean proportion? B. So B is the middle term. Okay, first term is A, third term is C, or quantity. Okay, so B is the middle wala quantity, A is the first quantity and C is the last quantity. Okay, A, B and C are in continued proportion, therefore A upon B is equal to B upon C. So cross multiplying AC is equal to B square. So wherever we have B square, I can substitute as AC, or wherever I have AC, I can substitute as B square. Okay, so we can use this method. One is this method, other is K method. So first let us solve using this method, then we'll come to K method. Whichever you find easy, you can use that. So B is the mean proportion between A and C. So A, B, C. So A and C are first and last and B is the mean, that is in between. Okay, so A, B, C are in continued proportion. You have to write this, students. ठीक है, ये लिखना ही पड़ेगा. So therefore A upon B is equal to B upon C. First upon second is equal to second upon third. Okay, cross multiplying AC is equal to B square, therefore B square is equal to AC. Alright, now we'll consider the LHS. RHS is simplified. LHS consider करते हैं पहले. So LHS is A raised to 4 plus A square B square plus B raised to 4 upon B raised to 4 plus B square C square plus C raised to 4. So wherever we have B square, we'll use AC. Okay, A raised to 4 है, so nothing over here, plus A square B square है, so B square is nothing but AC, and B raised to 4 है. Now I can rewrite this as B square ka square. Okay, so what I'll do is, whenever you're given power 4, you can write it as something square raised to square. Law of indices. 4 को split कर दिया, it is 2 into 2. So square raised to square. Same thing यहाँ पे, B square का square plus B square is again AC into C square plus C raised to 4. So A and C will remain as it is. Wherever you have B square, you will just substitute AC. Okay, so here we still need to make substitutions. So A raised to 4 plus A square into A gives A cube into C plus B square is what? AC. AC but square है बाहर में, ठीक है. So this is AC and squared. Over here again AC and raised to 2. A as it is and C into C square C cube plus C raised to 4. So A raised to 4 plus A cube C plus A square C square. Both these will get squared. Same thing यहाँ पे, both these will get squared. Okay, plus AC cube plus C raised to 4. I can take A square common over here. Okay, C I cannot take, so let's take a square common, least power low. A raised to 4, a raised to 3, a raised to 2. So a raised to 2 you can take common, that is a square. So 1a square will remain inside. 2 went outside, 2 will remain. यहाँ पे 2 चला गया, so only 1a is remaining. C remains as it is. यहाँ पे a square चला गया, we are left with c square. Here I can take c square common. Here we have c square, c cube, c raised to 4. So I can take c square common. So we are left with a square plus a and 1c as it is. And c raised to 4 है, so 4 c's, 2 went outside, 2 inside. So brackets are same, every term of the bracket is same, signs are same. You can cancel out the entire bracket because there is into sign over here. Okay, you cannot cancel out a square, ac, c square, c square. No, that is wrong. But this entire thing you can cancel out because जो भी इसका value होगा वही इसका value होगा. If this is something like let's say 10, तो ये भी 10 होगा. So I can cancel out 10, 10, right? So a square upon c square. That is the RHS. So we got it equal to RHS. After this you will write down LHS is equal to RHS and then you will write down entire LHS, entire RHS. So after this you will write down LHS is equal to RHS, therefore this is equal to this, hence proved. Okay, now moving on to K method. So for K method, again the same thing you will write, ठीक है, same statements. B is the mean proportion, therefore ABC are in continued proportion and therefore A upon B is equal to B upon C. Now we will take both the ratios equal to K. So let A upon B equal to B upon C be equal to K. So each of these is equal to K. ठीक है? Now whenever we have three quantities in proportion, first two जो रहता है we express in terms of the last one. So B also in terms of C and A also in terms of C. C as it is, but these two in terms of C. So A is BK and B is CK. So B I got in terms of C, मुझे मिल गया. I need A in terms of C. So B is what? CK. So let's substitute CK over here. So A is CK square. So A is CK square, B is CK. ठीक है? So we'll make these substitutions in the LHS. Let us start with LHS first. LHS is A raised to 4 plus A square B square plus B raised to 4 upon B raised to 4 plus B square C square plus C raised to 4. So A is CK square, the whole raised to 4, plus again A is CK square and B is CK, but uska bhi square hai. Yeah. So don't forget this. Okay, don't make the mistake. A is CK square and raised to 4 है, so put brackets and raised to 4. A का square है, but what is A? A is CK square. Write down CK square, put brackets and then square it. B is CK and then square it. B is again CK raised to 4. Again CK raised to 4. CK का square and C will remain as it is only. So C raised to 4, K square raised to 4. So यहाँ पे whenever you have some power raised to the other power, you multiply the powers. So 2 into 4 gives 8. Okay. यहाँ पे C square K 4. Okay. Into C square K square plus C raised to 4 K raised to 4. C raised to 4 K raised to 4 plus C square K square into C square plus C raised to 4. ठीक है, be very very careful, otherwise you will not get the answer, you will not be able to prove it. So C raised to 4 K raised to 8 plus C square into C square, that will give me C raised to 4. You will add the powers. C raised to 4 plus K raised to 4 plus K raised to 2. So 4 plus 2 6. लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसेस शुड बी थॉरो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, पावर्स का पता होना चाहिए. सो c raised to 4, k raised to 4. Your basics should be very very clear. All right. So in case you have any doubts, if you don't understand, please clear your basic concepts first, then come to these chapters, because यहाँ पे you will not be able to understand properly. You might make mistakes. Okay. So c square into c square, c raised to 4, k square plus c raised to 4. Okay. जहाँ पे भी multiplication है, add the powers, and whenever you have power raised to power, you will multiply the powers. So I can take c raised to 4 common and k raised to 4 common, है ना, लीस्ट वाला पावर. सो c raised to 4 कॉमन लिया, k raised to 4 कॉमन लिया, c raised to 4 चला गया, k raised to 4 गया. सो हाउ मेनी k's are left? 4. c raised to 4 went outside, k raised to 4, so 2 k's are left, and यहाँ पे nothing, so 1. Here I can take c raised to 4 common, nothing else. K I cannot take because there is no k over here. So we are left with k raised to 4 plus k square plus nothing, so 1. The brackets are same, so I can cancel out. C raised to 4, C raised to 4 also cancelled out. We are left with k raised to 4. So on next line you will write k raised to 4. Mark this as 1. Now we will solve for RHS. So RHS is a square upon c square. So a is ck square, the whole का square upon c square as it is. So c square k square raised to 2, so k raised to 4, will multiply the powers upon c square. C square cancel, k raised to 4, mark this as 2. From 1 and 2 you can say LHS is equal to RHS. So from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS, then you write down the entire LHS, entire RHS, therefore this is equal to this, hence proved. Okay, so over here k method was lengthy. Instead I will suggest use the first method, okay, where square of the mean is equal to product of the extremes. Let's read the next question, question number 26. If 7m plus 2n upon 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 upon 3, use properties of proportion to find first part m is to n and second part m square plus n square upon n square minus n square. We have to use properties and solve. Okay, so this is the given information. Now check the given. 7m 7m, 2n 2n, same terms, signs opposite. So which property? Componendo dividendo. ठीक है, so componendo dividendo states numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Okay, so we'll apply the same on both the sides. Okay, so numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator हो जाएगा. Same thing यहाँ पे numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. So write down the given first. So by componendo dividendo, you have to write down the entire thing. I am not writing. Okay, by componendo dividendo, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, put brackets because the signs will change. Okay, same thing in RHS, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Very easy. Open the brackets now. 7m plus 2n plus 7m minus 2n upon 7m plus 2n minus 7m plus 2n. Here the signs will change. ये negative हो जाएगा, ये positive हो जाएगा because there is minus sign outside. 5 plus 3 8, 5 minus 3 2. 2 4s are. Okay. 2n minus 2n, 7m cancel हो गया. So 7m plus 7m 14m and 2n plus 2n 4n is equal to 4. Okay, we need to find m is to n, that is m upon n. So let us keep m upon n as it is and let's shift the number over here. ठीक है, तो m अपॉन n एज इट इज़ रखते हैं, ये 14/4 को शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, 4 विल गो इन न्यूमरेटर एंड 14 इन डिनोमिनेटर, सो इट विल बिकम 4/14, दिस 4 एज इट इज़, यहाँ पे रेसिप्रोकल, सो 4/14, ओके, 2 जा 2 7 जा, so m upon n we are getting as 8/7. Don't box this, instead box the next one, m is to n is equal to 8:7. Write it in this form. This is the first part of the question, okay, so m is to n is equal to 8:7. We found the solution to the first part. Now coming to the second part. Second part में you have m square plus n square upon m square minus n square. This is of the form न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर अपॉन न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर, है ना, m स्क्वायर n स्क्वायर सेम टर्म्स है, जो लेफ्ट पार्ट में टर्म्स है राइट पार्ट में टर्म्स है, दे आर सेम एंड साइंस बिटवीन आर ऑपोजिट, सो वी नीड न्यूमरेटर एज m स्क्वायर एंड डिनोमिनेटर एज n स्क्वायर. We have m upon n का वैल्यू, we can easily find out m square upon n square, just square it and then apply component to dividend. ठीक है, so we know m upon n, we'll square it, so squaring on both the sides, यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, you will get the value of m square upon n square, then apply component to dividendo, so by component to dividendo it will be m square plus n square upon m square minus n square, same thing in RHS. So let's solve. So we know m upon n is equal to 8/7, we need to find m square upon n square, so m square upon n square is equal to 8 square upon 7 square. You have to give reason, squaring on both the sides, ठीक है, so when you square, entire LHS gets squared, entire RHS gets squared, so m square upon n square is equal to 64/49, okay. Now applying component to dividendo. By componendo and dividendo, you will write down the full thing. I am not writing down. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So m square plus n square upon m square minus n square is equal to, here we will get 113 and यहाँ पे 15, right, so 113 upon 15, box this, okay, so this is the answer to the second part. Moving on to next question, question number 27. There are two subparts to this question, starting with the first subpart. If x and y both are positive and 2x square minus 5y square the whole is to xy is equal to 1:3, find x is to y. Very easy. This question is similar to question number 8. ठीक है, in question number 8 we had used quadratic equations वाला method, that is splitting the middle term. Same thing over here, okay. So you are supposed to be familiar with quadratic equations to solve these kind of problems, so please be thorough with quadratic equations. Now x and y both should be positive, okay, both are positive, that is given, and also this is given, so let us write down the given first. 2x square minus 5y square is to means upon xy, 1:3, that is 1/3. We need to find x is to y, that is x upon y. Now let us cross multiply. 3 into 2x square minus 5y square is equal to 1 into xy, that is xy. Opening the bracket, 6x square minus 15y square is equal to xy. Okay. Now how will you adjust the terms over here? Students, there are two methods. इसके बाद what you can do is you can express it as x upon y का form, that also I'll show you, and substitute x upon y as some other variable, and other is solve it as it is, okay. यहाँ पे कोई substitution नहीं करेंगे. We have two variables, I know, but we'll keep this in quadratic equation form. x square and y square on two ends. Okay, so x square wala term on one end, y square wala term on the other end, and in between there will be xy. The one which has both x and y, वो वाला term बीच में आएगा. Okay, so x square, the term with xy in between, so you're shifting xy over here, it becomes minus xy, and then comes y square. Write it down with correct signs. Equal to RHS में nothing, 0. Okay, so now this is of the form of quadratic equation. Okay, so quadratic equation में you split the middle term. Okay, so for this method you are supposed to know the product and the sum. Okay, product is the product of first and last का coefficient. So 6 into minus 15, this is plus 6, plus 6 into minus 15 will give minus 90. Product will be minus 90, and middle term gives you the sum. Okay, so middle term का coefficient of middle term, so यहाँ पे कोई coefficient नहीं है, so it means the coefficient is 1. Okay, 1 but minus 1. ठीक है, so sum is minus 1, product is minus 90. So you have to find two such numbers जिसका product is 90 and when you add them it is minus 1. Okay, and product is negative, it means one number is positive, other number is negative. When can you get a negative answer? Negative, or when can you get negative? Like if you have 2 into 3, okay, so answer will be 6. If one of them is negative only, then you can get minus 6, either minus 2 or minus 3. One of them should be negative. If both have same sign, the product will not be negative. So same logic over here. Okay, यहाँ पे भी same logic. So there are two numbers, one will be negative, other will be positive. Only then the product will be negative. Okay, and also when you add them, you're getting negative. So sum is negative, it means greater number is negative. Sum का जो भी sign है, that is the greater number का sign. Okay, so if product is negative, one number is negative, other is positive, and sum is negative, it means greater number is negative. Sum का sign is greater number का sign, and smaller number is positive. What are the two numbers? Let's factorize this. On factorizing you will get. Okay, so actually the factors are 9 and 10. Okay, 9 and 10 है, minus 10 and 9. So when you multiply you get minus 90, and when you add you will get minus 1. So even though I am just factorizing, alright, in case you know, very good, but if you have doubt, then please solve quadratic equations first, then solve these kind of problems. So 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, so you need to just rearrange the factors. So 2 and 3 6 हो जाएगा, and 3 5s are 15. 6 and 15 when you multiply you will get 90, but difference is not 1. So you need to again rearrange the factors. So you will consider 3 into 3, that gives 9, and 5 into 2, that gives 10. So 9 and 10 are the factors. Greater one is 10, so 10 is negative and 9 is positive. You can check. 9 into minus 10 gives minus 90, and 9 minus 10 gives minus 1. So you will split the middle term, it will be 9xy minus 10xy. Okay, हम लोग ने इसको split कर दिया, the numbers and the variable with that. ठीक है, so minus xy we wrote it as minus 10xy plus 9xy. So it's not necessary you have to write 9xy minus 10xy. You can also change this, it does not matter. Okay, so you can write minus 10xy first and then plus 9xy. You can change these two. Okay, but first and last should remain as it is. Okay, now group first two and last two and take common outside. So here I can take 3 common, यहाँ पे x common, and we are left with 2x. 3 and x went outside, so we are left with 3y inside. Okay, minus I can take common, both are negative, so let's take minus common. Okay, you should get same bracket over here also, same to same bracket. So here I can take 5 common and 1y common. So 5 2s are and 1 x is left. Okay, and 5 3s are 15 and 1 y is left. So we should get same brackets. Okay, on opening the brackets you should get the previous step. मिल जाना चाहिए तो ही it is correct, otherwise you are going wrong. Okay, so always cross check. Are you getting the previous step with same signs? Then it is correct. Now, so 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y we can take common. Okay, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है. So taking that common we are left with 3x minus 5y in another bracket. Product of two brackets is 0. It means one of them has to be 0. जब दो ब्रैकेट्स दो नंबर्स मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 0 मिल रहे हैं, इट मीन्स वन ऑफ देम हैज़ टू बी 0, अदरवाइज यू कैन नेवर गेट 0. ओके, सो आइदर 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 or 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 3y or 3x is equal to 5y. So I need to find x upon y. Okay, so x as it is, I'll shift y over here. Y will go in denominator and minus 3 we'll keep as it is and 2 over here. So minus 3 upon 2. Or other you are getting x as it is, shifting y on the other side, and 5 as it is, 3 on the other side. So we are getting x upon y equal to minus 3 upon 2 or x upon y is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay. Now these are the two values we are getting. This is not acceptable. Why? X and y both are positive. So if both are positive, how can the ratio be negative? It cannot be negative. Okay. So this is not acceptable. So you will write down x upon y equal to minus 3 upon 2 is not acceptable as x and y both are positive. Therefore x upon y is equal to 5 upon 3. After this you will write down, therefore x upon y is equal to 5 upon 3, box this, therefore x is to y is equal to 5 is to 3. Write it in this form because they have asked it in this form. ठीक है. The other method that we can use is substitution. So again you will be using quadratic equation method only, but you will substitute. You will consider only one variable. Okay. यहाँ पे we have two variables. So how can you make it one variable वाला equation? X square है, y square है and xy है. What you will do? Divide by y square. Divide by y square throughout. So dividing by y square throughout. So 6x square upon y square minus xy upon y square minus 15y square upon y square is equal to 0 upon y square. Y square cancelled, 1y cancelled. So we are left with 6x square upon y square minus x upon y minus 15 equal to 0 upon y square is 0. Now x upon y the whole ka square I can write, because this is also squared, this is also squared. So I can write this as 6x upon y the whole ka square minus x upon y minus 15 equal to 0. Now I'll take x upon y as some other variable. Okay, so let me take it as a. Let x upon y be equal to a. So therefore 6a square minus a minus 15 is equal to 0. Now this is a proper quadratic equation. Solve it. Okay, you will get two values for a. The negative one you will ignore. Okay, because a is nothing but x upon y. So negative 1 you will ignore because x and y both are positive. So ratio cannot be negative if both are positive. Okay, so one you will neglect and other one you will consider. Alright, so same है. Okay, answer same ही मिलेगा. Now यहाँ पे same way में you have to solve. Alright, same method. You will split the middle term. 6 into minus 15 minus 90 and the sum is minus 1. Okay, so check the previous method for this, please students. Okay, I am not explaining again. Product will be minus 90, 6 into minus 15 minus 90, and the sum will be minus 1. So हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस, हाउ टू फैक्टराइज, प्लीज चेक दैट. ओके, सेम है, जस्ट द डिफरेंस इज कि यहाँ पे वहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल्स था, यहाँ पे एक ही वेरिएबल है, बट द मेथड इज सेम. ओके, कमिंग टू सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. Find x if 16 into a minus x upon a plus x the whole cube is equal to a plus x upon a minus x. It's very very easy. Over here you are given a minus x upon a plus x, the whole का cube है. So I can rewrite this as a minus x the whole cube upon a plus x the whole cube. Right? Law of indices. So I can write this as a minus x the whole cube upon a plus x the whole cube. I just distributed the powers among numerator and denominator. It is equal to a plus x upon a minus x. What I'll do is I'll shift a plus x and a minus x over here. So this goes in numerator and this goes in denominator. Reciprocal. Okay. 16 you'll keep as it is. एज इट इज़ रखो उसको, ठीक है. सो ए प्लस एक्स अपॉन ए माइनस एक्स एज इट इज, एंड यहाँ पे यू विल शिफ्ट दिस, सो दिस विल गो इन न्यूमरेटर एंड दिस विल गो इन डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है. फर्स्ट यू विल राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. आई हैव नॉट रिटन दैट डाउन स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट यू विल राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन, देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द पावर्स एंड देन सॉल्व. ठीक है. सो you are getting a plus x into a plus x the whole cube. It is like x into x cube. What is it? X raised to 4 है ना. So instead of x I have a plus x, so it will be a plus x the whole raised to 4. Right? Same thing in denominator, a minus x the whole raised to 4 equal to 16. Okay, I have raised to 4. Okay, and I want to remove 4. Why? Because I need to find x का value. I don't want x raised to 4 and I don't even know the identity for the whole raised to 4. Okay, so what I can do, I can remove this. So I need to take 4th root. For square you take square root, for cube you take cube root. So for 4 you will take 4th root on both the sides. Left hand side में do I have something raised to 4? Let's check. 16, it's basically 2 raised to 4. 16 is 2 raised to 4. So factorize it in case you don't know. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to 4. Right? So let's take 4th root on both the sides. So taking 4th root on both the sides. So all the 4 powers will vanish. ठीक है? Raised to 4 will vanish. So we'll get 2 is equal to a plus x upon a minus x, है ना. Shifting this over here, so 2 into a minus x is equal to a plus x. So 2a minus 2x is equal to a plus x. We need to find x का value. So let's group x together and a together. Okay. So 2a we'll keep as it is. Let's shift a over here. माइनस ए हो जाएगा एंड x as it is, shifting 2x over here it becomes plus 2x. So 2a minus a gives 1a, that is a. ठीक है. And x plus 2x gives 3x. So shifting 3 because I need x का value, so a upon 3 हो जाएगा. So x is equal to a upon 3. So after this on next line you will write down x is equal to a upon 3. Box this. Okay, so it was very easy. The only thing is ये shift कर दो. Okay, bring it on one side and then you are getting raised to 4. See if LHS में also you are getting raised to 4. So factorize the number. Okay, 16 को factorize करो. it is 2 raised to 4, and then you can take fourth root on both the sides.